Seun Kuti has revealed some of the issues and also things he discussed with Verydarkman when they were close together. Davido has put up a $1 million challenge against Burna Boy, Wizkid and Olamide after Burna Boy made this comment.
Now, next time anybody tells you about anything called a big three, yeah, tell them that there's only a big two, and then there's Burna Boy. You understand?
I put up $1 million.
Yes, sir.
I'll do a verse for anybody. $1 million cash.
Holy, brother.
Nobody got more hits than me.
Ooh. Ooh.
Cash.
Obo Uda. What they want back? Oh no, sir. Uda Obo. You don't say that. Chioma.
Seun Kuti has revealed some of the issues and also things he discussed with Verydarkman when they were close together. And some of them is he should politicize Ratel movement. And he also talked about things he warned Verydarkman over and warned Nigerians over about Verydarkman. Listen to what Seun Kuti had to say.
And this is what I want to talk about VDM is both praise and critique. But the good thing about me is that if I be your friend, nothing you go hear for outside. Say I tell you. Talk about you where I no go don't tell you to your face. And nothing where I don't tell you to your face, where be say it deep between us can ever come outside. Where be say Ayelanshi, Efe or whatever. So I will talk about something here too today. Let me first start with the praise, the high praise. Before I talk about the small critique where they always critique am. And we be all of now for Nigeria too problem. Because that should not be VDM problem now don't infect them. Now because of when they do that thing. Now because of when they behave like that. See this one that they start with VDM when you go enter for this country now go cry. Now go cry. I tell VDM all the time. Politicize yourself. Stop all this charity work. Charity cannot do anything to help Nigerians. He say, Baba, now my only way to reach the people. I tell him all the, forget, it's only politics. Yeah. Only politics feed do am. None of us can raise the money needed to help Nigerians. You don't even reach drop. What you are doing, they go say, it's but a drop in the ocean. This one not even reach, you not even reach drop in the ocean. You know this drop in the ocean. In our lifetime, if we try to use charity to fix our problem for Nigeria, all of us go die. Nothing, we not go down do anything. We're not going to even fix all the school for Ikeja alone. Talk more of Lagos State. We go die. We not go down raise the money. Only this country can do it. Only us taking the reins of government to direct policy, to direct the resources to the right place. Over 100 million Nigerians are in poverty. How many can you help? And they tell them, we say, Baba, I don't want to do politics. So this last one, where they plan for them, where they do, I can't tell them, I call and say, VDM, you see, I don't want to do politics. I don't want to do, now politics is doing you. He say, Baba, that's why I see him. I say, politics don't come to, for where you did, JJ, just say, I don't want to do politics. I want to be neutral. I want to be, where you did, they do, politics don't commit today. Just the way I tell people, forget your problem. I know that you can forget your problem, but your problem will never forget you. Yeah, your problem, whether you like it or not. Now so na day 5 and 6. Ewani. Now so na be like this. 5 and 6. And now because of una, they take that stance. Now because of una. Because if you reach politics now, saying stop all this charity business, everybody go run. Everybody go run.
Get anything past all of them. Don't know who they gas all of them. One thing about Burna is he brags different and I like it. That's one thing I like about Burna. His own bragging, they did different and I like it. He said when they tell you about big 3, just tell them it's only big 2 and there's Burna Boy. Talk your talk. I know they get issue with something like that. Just talk your talk. One thing I always like about Burna is his own bragging. And let's not lie, he has backing. You know, when you have evidence, you know, go to the explain. Burna get evidence. I've said it before. If I am as good as Burna Boy, artistically as good as Burna Boy, I'll be twice as proud. Snap me. If I am as good as Burna Boy, I'll be twice as proud. So I like his own bragging. Just hear Burna for yourself.
But next time anybody tells you about anything called a big three, yeah, tell them that there's only a big two, and then there's Burna Boy. You understand?
About the music industry, you understood only after becoming successful. Busy, child. He watches some shit. He's drunk, child. He watches some shit. He watches some shit. Should I be eating and sleeping? For sex, I